Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right. Hope everybody had a nice evening. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Still in the game. We're going to be showcasing today the AI Auto Trader and the iBots, two fully automated systems that run within the NinjaTrader 8 platform. Once these strategies are enabled, they will execute and manage the positions on your behalf. Today we're going to be trading the futures. The futures index equities, very liquid instruments. The bid and ask spread is minuscule. So the futures index equities, with exception to the Russell, and we've also diversified into crude oil and gold, energy and precious metals. What we do is we run these bots through the overnight session. In sim, we don't hold any positions overnight. We don't hold any positions through the session break, which is 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the 1 hour out of the day that these drones do not trade. After 6 p.m., they kick on again, and they start learning the environment immediately and running them pre-market through the London Open. And right up until we get to the New York Stock Exchange, we have a leaderboard. Our leaderboard shows us which ones are performing the best right now. Not yesterday, not last week. The ones that are doing the best today. We like to refer to those as the what have you done for me latelys. If you made money last week, well, we were grateful back then. But that's not going to do us any good today. Today's a brand new day. So I've got quite the leaderboard this morning, you could see, and we're going to check the Forex Factory. I'm kind of foaming at the bit here because I see all these bots are up $2,000, $3,000. They like this trading environment. My ES8U, man almighty. That's the bot that you see in the top left corner. That's an 8 Unirenko bar. And that bot is up $3,287. Maybe that's not the same bot. Let's take a look. My unrealized isn't moving. Let's see what account that is. That's the AIES. AIES. 8U scalper drone. Okay. We also have an ES30 range. So my ES bots are doing very well pre-market. The 30 range and the 8 Unirenko, both doing well. On the NASDAQ, our 2-minute, our 20 Unirenko, and our 30 range on the Smart Velocity Stop all did well pre-market. So we've got a really nice leaderboard. Some juicy bots to choose from. What we do with that information? Well, we have what I do is I use these bots. These bots can be traded on a sim account, a live account, or a prop account. What I do is I use a trade copier, and I take the bots that are right on my leaderboard, and I put them on tabs, of my trade copier. So once the market opens and they continue to do well, I can turn them on at any point and have them copy across my my Apex accounts. Got my 30 range, a couple iBots, the retirement plan. I've got my velocity. It's really one of my favorite ones to go to when the market opens. The first 30 minutes of the market, first 30 minutes. I look for an alignment of my 30 range and my 20 Unorenko. I want market structure wise for a short trade, I like to see them both below the 50. Both below the 50. For a long trade, I want to see them both above the 50 and that 50 green. On that 20 Unorenko, that 50 green, and that's when I like to take a long on my 30 range. So a little bit of timing on that one. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. We got 3 minutes until the market opens. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. This is what it looks like today. Tuesday, March 11th at 10 a.m. Jolts. Let me write it down. Please remind me if I forget. We don't really want to hold any positions through any red folder reports. So the Jolts job opening is our big one this morning. That's the big one. 10 a.m. Be careful. Govern yourself accordingly. Jorge, buenos. Wow, George. George's ES8U is up $7,000. Phew, wow. Well, I got to get ready for that one, huh? ES8U. I've got it on my copier, George. George. Oh, please say a prayer for Marcia. Her and her husband both fell ill. Just that she was just getting over an illness, and now she unfortunately isn't feeling well. That ES8U is back in. I watched it yesterday, taking beautiful entries. You know, you can see during certain market conditions, some of these bots, they really find the ebb and flow of the market. And that's the case right now with that ES8U. Here we go, 9:30. So let's check out our velocity. We're set up short on our 20U. Let's let the market play out here for just a moment. There it goes short. My 20U is also lined up for a short trade. This is our 30 range. It's a little too close to the market open for me. I like to give it at least a few minutes to settle down. This thing could bounce right off of resistance and go right down to the profit target here. And a lot of volatility here. Here we go. Bam. Overnight session, we had a pop up to the upside. Let's see if we can continue with the long move. Okay. Our 30 range is set up for a long now. Our 20U is set up for a short. I'm going to sit on my hands. At 9:35, our iBots will kick in. The iBots are streaming data. Now we have an alignment. Short and short. Let's see if this one plays out. ES8U getting some traction. Here we go. Bam, in the profit window, and it's gone. Let's turn it on. Okay, we're in. We are in. Ah, ouch. In our profit window, go all the way. Go all the way. Yeah, all right. All right, so we're down. We got a winner and a loser. Down $20 across all my accounts there. And I hit the pause button. Let's see what happens. We're right at support. Broke right through. Big push down here. 9:35 in 2 minutes. The iBots are going to jump in. This ES8U might be the bot to trade. So the iBots, I have connected a kinetic data feed. And that kinetic data feed is streaming data right off the cash market, right off the stock market. And it's analyzing advanced decline and volume across the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell, and the New York Stock Exchange, looking for a disparity between uptick and downtick. Really has the finger on the pulse of the cash market. And we're streaming that into our futures platform. And it really provides us with a lightning fast response to institutional buying and selling. Look at this. Here we go to the downside. This thing's got some real momentum here. A lot of volatility. You can see the whipsaw on the NASDAQ. The ES is just like a Mack truck going straight down to our profit target. A lot of whipsaw on the NASDAQ. I'm going to find my ES8U. Here we go. The iBots are kicking in. Gold is headed up. Okay, here we go to the upside. We're getting a multi-time frame alignment now on the NASDAQ. Let's get back on the velocity. This thing's headed up. Here we go. Come on, a little further up. Nice. All right. Caught that long there. Here we go to the upside. In our profit window. All right. Again. Another one to the upside. Getting a big move up. Oh man, that thing flew right for my profit target. In the profit window. Man, I'm scared to re-enable. Caught about 500 across my accounts, with the exception to this bottom one. Bailed out early. Caught some beautiful trades on that NASDAQ 30. Once that 20U was lined up to the upside, it took 3 straight winners and got us to our profit goal. Let's see if we can catch the IBOT in a few moves. Good morning, Al. Oh, Al, you got to forgive me. Yesterday was so busy. Let's do it today. Mondays are just impossible, let me tell you. This is a nice long entry here. We've got a clear shot right to our profit target. Just missed our profit window. Bam, it got it. 250 or 500? 250 or 500? 500. We'll take it. Look at the 8U. The 8U is right back in long on this move up. It's headed right into the VWAP. IBOT 30 range. Let's check it out. IBOT 30 range. NASDAQ 30 range. Whoa! That thing's up $3,000. Holy smokes. I think that's the profit limit. Wow. That was fast. The 24U was in. I bought 24U. The I bought 20U's in. I bought 16U in. All on the NASDAQ. Here we go. We need this push up. Wow. Ooh. Okay, 10 o'clock. Don't forget, 10 o'clock is the JOLTS report. That NQ30 range went up 3,000. I mean, lightning fast. Let's take a look at those trades. It took a beautiful long, straight up, right tight to the 50. Right on the 15, crossed the 50, jumped in long. Oh man, look at this one. Nice entry. Look at this. Nice and tight. Caught a full, got the exit on the line change. Hit a first target, which was an ambitious first target. Went for a second and came out on the exit on the line change. So the stop on the second target is pinned to our 15 EMA. When that 15 EMA changes colors and momentum wanes, it's going to exit that trade and lock in those profits. So man, that worked as designed. That locked in $3,000 very quickly. Here we go. We're in another one. It's picking up by, just took the risk off the trade here. Just need a little wiggle room now. And we could be off to the races again. Come on, take off. Picked up a disparity of buyers versus sellers here. Look at that. We're up $1,000 on this move. 1,500. Oh, look, we got way too much risk on. Oh. That makes me a little nervous. Let me tell you. It makes me want to grab my stop. Okay, it came off on the exit on the line change. So it stayed in that move until the 15 EMA changed colors. And now it's up 4,000. I think that IBOT went right to the top of our leaderboard very quickly. Sergio's got these iBots running beautifully. You can see there is no lag. And Mark Miller, who is the owner of Rightline, him and Sergio really dissected those inputs and found the culprit. Our 8U just jumped in short. Got wicked out. 8U, some ES 8U scalper drone. Well, let me tell you, these bots are really liking this trading environment. You can see my leaderboard now. Is lit up in green. Are there losing bots? Yeah. These are the losers on the bottom. Don't trade them. The ones we want to focus on are these, the ones in the green. And today, these bots are really liking this movement. Just be careful at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we got the JOLTS report. This is setting up again for a short. Let me reset my ES30. Look at this star ES30 range star drone. Let me find my ES30. Here's the ES30. We're short the E-mini on the 30 range. The 8U. I'm going to reset those accounts. I'm resetting them because they hit the profit goal. On the Sim ES8U scalper drone, let's get that one going. Now our IBOT 24U just popped into another long trade. Here we go. Blasting off. Here we go, all the way. Let's go. Get in our window. Get in our window. Push up. Oh, man. Yes, 2100. Our IBOT 30 range caught that same move and caught almost a full winner. It closed at our P&L target on the 30 range. The 30 range is at 5,035 on that IBOT. Crushed it. Absolutely crushed this market this morning. The first this bot's been running 15 minutes. From 9:35 to 9:50. This bot made $5,000 this morning. I'll tell you, I don't think I've ever seen a bot make that much money in that fast. The 20 Unarenko iBot's at 3,880. And it's in a trade. Let's check it out. iBot NQ 20U. See if we can keep pushing up. Come on, let's go. Get up there. Hey, good morning, Al. I didn't notice my webcam was off. Okay, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. We got the JOLTS report, 10 minutes. Come on, hit that profit target. Ouch. Came back. We're up 26.60. Capital preservation, very important with these bots. Have a profit goal in mind. At times it'll appear like it can't take a loser, and you're going to make $1 million, but I'm probably overly conservative. But I think capital preservation, there is a happy medium between overly conservative and too aggressive. But I think it's a good practice to have a profit goal, and once you reach it, enjoy your victory. Claim it. Look at that. In a position on gold, or in a short on gold, that's up 400. NQ Scalper, rouse in, 23.50. Good morning, Suzanne. Now we've got a leaderboard that's an eye popper. Starting to line up to the downside again. We already hit our profit goal on the NQ30 range. IBOT 24U is up here. 20U is up here. ES4U. This trade's starting to come back here. Let's go to the IBOT ES4U. The 30 range was taking some serious heat. Serious heat. Now the market's headed back down. The 20U is back in. Got a lot of downside support right here. You can see it on my 30 range chart. All these blue lines are areas of support. That price has bounced. A lot of buyers sitting right there. 19,505. It starts. It's going to test it. I've been afraid to look at my 401k. I've been afraid to even look at it for the last week or two. I don't want to know. The Dukester. Yes, thank you. Thank you, George. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes for the report. I'm going to let the bots trade through the report just to gather the data. Um, and we'll put the lag meter up here. With those red folders, we're going to get some lag kick in. We got 3 minutes. I'm going to run to the restroom really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We got 1 minute. 1 minute for the report. There it goes. There it goes. You can see my lag immediately. Oh, yeah, wicked us out of that for you. That's a crying shame. Oh, man. Look at this move. Look at this volatility. Let me tell you, we're doing really good on lag, actually. For that amount of data to be running through, we're still firing trades off, which is really great. Bam. Got that one. Holy moly. Now, Mark Miller loves these reports. He'll trade right through them. In fact, one day I watched Mark Miller pretty much set the daily record during a news report on a trade. That 20U went right up to the profit window, profit target. Now we're getting some pulling in some lag. Our iBot on the E-mini, ES4U, that's one of our hottest strategies. This week, got a really nice win rate. Let's see if it hits this trade. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, it's 30 seconds. Oh, we need a profit window there, huh? Yeah, we need a profit window. Right here. There's an old saying, don't be a, rhymes with Rick, over a tick. And we were one tick away from getting a winner, and now we took a full loser. That JOLTS report must not have been a good one. Let's see what it said. The JOLT are the U.S. job openings and labor turnover. Job openings was little changed at 7.7 million. Getting a lot of lag on the E-mini. Let's get it down to, let's get rid of our lag real quick. Okay. Man, what a sell-off. Holy moly. There goes the old retirement account. What a sell-off. Oh, man. This is getting really scary. We're getting her fired back up over here. We got our lag back down to almost nothing. And just in groups of 5 or 10, just enabling them back up. That was a lot of data that came flying through. Here it comes right back up. My goodness. Here it comes right back up. Let's get these things cranked up. Okay, we're right back in the game. Now that'll reset them all too. So everything's going to be wide open again. Haymaker's in, Velocity's in, the Sniper in, ES8U Scalper Drone. That's the one that was red hot. Let's go to the ES8U. See if we get in off this break. There's our Sniper drone. Looking at our leaderboard from overnight, the 20 U's did come up top. Here we go. Here's our number one strategy. Ah, what happened? And, can't explain what just happened there. It closed the trade, got in and closed it very quickly. Maybe realizing it was right into a pivot. Here we go again. Pulled in a loser there. The IBOT 24U, the bigger bars jumped in on the IBOT. Let's check those out. And we got a disparity here. We have we're above the 50 on our 20 Unorenco, below on our 30 range. You got to be careful when there's no alignment and trend. It's a little riskier. Could go either way. 30 range just jumped in short.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It locked in. It took all the risk off that trade. Ah. And then it got wicked out. That's a shame because that thing might keep going to the downside.
Order submitted.
We've got our lag under control now after that news report.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I spoke too soon.
Order submitted.
Here we go again on the 30.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Took all the risk off. Here we go. We got a free shot at it. Come on down. Get one. Let's go.
Order submitted.
Ah.
Order submitted.
Bounced right off support. Oh, it had a lot of selling pressure. I thought it was going to go. The 1 minute jumped in. The 1 minute short. I bought NQ 1 minute. Oh, wait. Let's go back here. This is an exciting strategy. If it can break through this support, this level of support, this could be a monster trade right here. Our relative strength index is sloped down, pinned down. Here we go. It's going to come down and retest it. All the risk is off. Let's see if we can break it. Retested it. Bounced. Another test. Here we go. This one could be off to the races now. Here we go. $1,500. Oh, man. And it got out on the line change. Wow, we were up 1,500 on that trade. Back up to 47.70. Oh, these bots are going to run up the score today.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
There we go. The iBot 1 minute just jumped in. NQ 1 minute.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
See if this one makes it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
In our window. Bouncing right off support again.
Order
All right, got it. Still down 1,000 on the 1 minute. The NQ20U is up 2 grand. Our 30 range tried to jump back in. We had a little bit of lag, I believe.
Order submitted.
Back in on the 1 minute. Trying to break through support here. Again.
Order submitted.
It's a bit oversold. Retrace back to the 50. Let's see if we can get a continuation down into the trend.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Bouncing right off that 50. 50 is acting as a area of resistance. It's having a tough time breaking through the 50 here.
Order submitted.
Now it just did. Back up. Let's see that 30 range. That 30 range is red hot. 43.10. This was at 5,000. Still at the top of our leaderboard was the IBOT 30 range.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, let me go back to the chat, see if anyone. RJ! Yes, that signal the bot is something else, isn't it? Man, it is lightning fast. It was, man, on that 30 range today, it got the job done quick. SLR. I see out there, Dave. Okay, we're in consolidation here. Maybe this is the bottom. That's the problem. We can't call the bottom of this market. It just keeps going lower. This thing keeps going lower on us. Yeah, it's going to take another leg down. Bam, we're back in on the 30 range. Broke out of consolidation and that 30 range jumped.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All the risk is off. Just need some wiggle room here. Okay, a little more, a little more. Oh, push down. Push down. There we go. Come on. Some breathing room. There we go. Up 660, 720. Bam. Oh, man. What's up with that? Now, our stop is tied to the 15 EMA, remember. It's not as far back as it looks, but we do give back quite a bit if it bounces. Bam. Right into, oof. Right into support. Oh, man, it's making a wall underneath us. A lot of selling pressure still. Getting our profit window. $1,700 profit on the trade. Our stop is tied to our 15 EMA. If you see this color on the left bottom of my chart, go yellow or green, it's going to exit the trade. Or it's going to hit our profit target for a monster. It's trying. Very common question is, what is this box on the bottom left of my chart? That's the color of your 15 EMA. And one of our stops, smart stops, one more push down. Oh, oh man, it's still in the trade. Oh, there's another. Wow, now that's the full profit target there. That was only the first profit target we hit. Now this thing is going for a monster. This thing could go all the way. My stop is still, it's tied to that 15 EMA, remember. As long as that 15 EMA doesn't change colors, we're going to stay in this trade to the short side. Took us out. 62.50 on the IBOT 30 range. 62.50. This could be a single day trading record for the IBOT. $6,250 in less than an hour. Not too shabby. Boy, that trade will give you a heart attack, huh? My goodness. I thought we got our profit target. That was just the first one. This market is just selling off. Something terrible. Look at these trades here on the E-mini. The IBOT ES on the 4U, back in on the 30 range. It's retracing back to the 50. The IBOT ES4U is up 1675. On the AI, the ES30 range is about to score a full winner. It's within our profit window. Our NASDAQ 16U just went up 4 grand. And now in our testing over the course of the last several months, we've seen the iBots do this. They'll just really run up the score like we've never seen on trending days or days that there's a lot of volatility.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get this big move down.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
$52.25. We've got Mr. David Wise coming up behind me.
Order submitted.
Our 16U is still in.
Order submitted.
Our ES iBot 4U is in short. I'm almost embarrassed to show you what my profits on my PA accounts and my evals. It's like a whoop-de-doo. You made 400 or 500. You got these other bots making 4,000 or 5,000.
Order submitted.
Man, another big sell-off today.
Order submitted.
We were all hoping today would be a big bounce to the upside. We're not seeing it as of yet. All right, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Exciting day for day trading.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Wow, I'm in an unrealized gain on our scalper bot of $2,000. AIES8U scalper bot. Let's take a look at that trade, make sure that there's a profit target in it. AIES8U scalper bot. Yes, we're in this trade. It's a $1,900 winner. Wow. Okay, took profits. The AIES8U is up $4,100 today. Incredible. Somebody had said, I think it was George, said he was up 6,000 or 8,000 on that bot. Ron Nettles. Wow, look at that. The difference between Ron's losing bots and winning bots is $20,000. Holy moly. $20,000.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Incredible day. The leaderboard is deep. Deep, deep, deep. Are there losing bots? Yes. There are losing bots. Our methodology, what we do is we focus primarily on the ones that are winning. Right? Those are the ones we trade. So the ones that did the best today, the iBot 30 range, we watched that one go up almost, it was up over 5,000 at one point, and I re-enabled it after the JOLTS report to reset it. The ES8U, man, has just been trading great these last few days. George pointed that out at the beginning of the session. We see these beautiful entries it takes. It waits for a retracement back towards the 50, and then it gets in on the short roll. It's that ES8U is really trading this market really nicely. The 20Us, they started strong and ended strong. The 20 Unorenkos on the NASDAQ have been trading very well. There's one, two, the 24U on the IBOT, 3. It's up 3 grand. Mac Truck, 3 grand. ES4U, 1675. NQ, 16U. I believe that's the trade we're watching now, yes. Is up 1685. The retirement plan loves the volatility. Big swings up and down. That retirement plan is going to score. It looks for reversals. Retirement plan loves this environment. The Star Drone, the ES30 range. Robert, your drone is up 1250 on my computer. The one-day pass on the ES hit. It's up $1,000. The IBOT 20U up 910, and it's in another one right now that's up for about 300 right now. We need that first target. We need that first profit goal. First profit target on that NQ16U. And get that risk off the trade. Then my PA accounts, I kept the win streak alive. I got 475, 395. I'll show you my PA accounts now. And I stuck right to my methodology. I'm looking at the 20U and the 30 range. First 10 minutes of the market open. When there's an alignment of trend, I jump in on the 30. And I was able to make $2,300 across all 6 of my accounts cumulatively. So wow, what a great day trading today. You hate to see the market selling off like this, but for day traders, it's a dream. It's a dream come true. Last trade. Let's see if we can push through this area of support. This is our IBOT 16U. It's already up 2,000. And it's looking to add to that. That SimUB test is crushing it this week. Let's see, last trade. Let's see if we can break through this area of support. Where we hit support on the E-mini and the NQ. Stopped us out on the NQ, but not before we made $2,250. So what a day trading. What a day trading. We got professional options trader David Wise right behind me. Man, I could do this all day, I'll tell you. What a day today. Back in again. retesting that same area of support.
Order submitted.
RJ, have a great day. Thanks for joining us. Any advice on how the iBot signal functions between the different charts?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's go into that tomorrow. Give me, I'm going to go through all of the settings because I think that's a good question. We are going to do a video, a training video for the iBot that goes into those details that you just asked about.
Order submitted.
Oh, we need a profit window. Push down, push down.
Order submitted.
Ah, stop is too loose. Go down. All right, 3,600. Yes. Oh man, this thing's right back in.
Order submitted.
This thing fired off so quick like a shotgun, like a machine gun. Put us right back in on this big push down. There's just such a huge disparity between sellers and buyers. This bot wants to fly. The 30 range is in a $1,100 position right now. Look at the iBot 30 range.
Order submitted.
It got wicked out at 52.80. All right, last trade, last trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Listen, if you please do us a favor before we sign off, if you would, please like our YouTube video on YouTube. It helps us out. It gives as a company, it gives us a little traction on our products and services.
Order submitted.
They have an algorithm in YouTube where if you like the video or you or you participate in the chat, which is always helpful as well. Plus, it makes the session a lot more fun if everybody participates. Hey, yes, it was, Doctor. Great day trading today.
Order submitted.
Thank you, RJ. RJ's loving the iBot. All right, everybody. What an exciting day. I mean, wow. See those kinds of numbers. That's just really exciting. Mr. David Wise is right behind me. We do this, God willing, we do this Monday through Friday at 9:15 each day. Same time, same channel. Please come back and see us tomorrow. Let's do it again. We hit our profit goal. Personally, I hit my profit goal. And the iBots and the AI are just two powerful automated systems that really give you an edge over other retail traders. When you got bots putting up numbers like this, man, your chances of success, I mean, they increase tenfold. There's no doubt about it. If you can piggyback bots that have that type of power, it really puts you in a really great position. Really provides you with an edge trading these financial markets. So please come back and see us tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time. Have a blessed rest of your day. So long, everybody. You're welcome, Jorge. Have a great day, sir.